Sooner or later, there comes a moment when you have to choose. Do I repair this broken appliance or just replace it? It's a tough call to make. Repairing a fridge or washing machine by yourself can seem intimidating, while replacing them is expensive. Hi, I'm Natalie with Fix.com, and in this video, we'll help make that decision easier for you. Repairing an appliance. It's not usually as hard as most people think, and it's often much cheaper than replacement if you do the repair yourself. The rule of thumb is if you can complete the repair for less than half of the replacement cost, you should do it. Why spend $600 on a new dryer when you could repair yours for $250? That's a savings of, wait, let me do the math. So carry the 3, and then you divide by pi. $350. For most common appliance problems, you can easily find the parts online and then follow along with step-by-step videos for diagnosing and repairing your model. Most repairs are usually rated as easy by first-timers who realized how simple it can be. So don't be intimidated if your appliance stops working or starts making a weird noise. You can do this. And when we look at just how long appliances should last with proper maintenance, it makes the decision to repair them much easier. You should be able to get up to 9 good years out of your dishwasher and microwave, 10 years from your washing machine, and up to 13 years from your fridge and clothes dryer. If more people started repairing their machines rather than opting to just replace them, we wouldn't have so many usable appliances sitting in landfills. The fact is, repairing your appliances is good for your bank account and the environment. Replacing an appliance. Okay, so the day will come when repairing your washing machine just won't work. If you're having to repair it a lot, the cost and time can add up quickly. A new one may be a better investment in the long run. If your appliance is particularly old, it's likely not as efficient as a newer model, meaning any savings you get by repairing it are getting eaten up by your utility bills. And if the machine emits smoke while it's running, get rid of it. Get it out of there. Nothing can be done. You need to put it out of its misery and send it to the landfill. The good news with replacement is that there are a few ways you can recycle your appliance and keep it out of the dump. Selling it on a local buy and sell page means it could get a new home. You could also check with the local utility companies. They may be able to haul away your old appliance for recycling and cut you a rebate check. Smaller appliances in decent working condition can be donated to local charities to be resold at discount prices to those in need. Hopefully you'll be able to use this information to make the right call on whether to repair or replace. But if you still have questions, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like our page and visit Fix.com for more useful videos, blogs, and so much more. Thanks for watching.